I discovered something. Zombie is afraid of these sharks. Yan. Lalaban yan. Gustong kainin ng mga koi yung isda. Ay, yung mga anak ng cichlid tsaka itlog. Pero matapang yung cichlid. Wow. Ganda ng... Pakitingnan yung ilaw. May green. Yung ganyan na ilaw, mabubuhay ang halaman. Parang araw yan. Pwede. Waterproof siya. Okay. 2 arowanas. Red finned silver and silver. Where's the third arowana? Nandyan. Pumasok sa cichlid. Wow. I think the cichlid is biting the arowana. Boom. Ayan, kinakagat ng cichlid, oh. Ina-attack ng cichlid yung arowana. So kailangan once in a while nilinis. Yan. Sige. Okay. Masakit kasi bumigat yung tubig. Yan ang maganda, diba? Sige. Exactly.
Baratuan siya.
Okay.
Ng ano, ito.
Sige, ibaba. Anong net yan? Sus. I-cable tie mo na lang. Okay. Ito. Dito. Sige.
Great.
Ayan, tapos. Ayan. Baby black hammerhead. Late. Not even adult. These are not fully grown yet. They're still kind of babies. Parang laki na. Okay, those are UV lights. Everyone at night. So this is enjoying them. Ganda. Beautiful colors. Wow. That's one of the largest I've ever seen. Something like a hardcover. Wow. Grabe. Super, super beautiful. There's Zombie. The ghost. Look, look. I saw the two Plecostomus. That's one. The other one is here. Oh my god. Look at how huge that thing is. Grabe, oh. Whoa, man. Looks like siya na-eat me. Parang kakainin yung hands ko. Shark. Meet zombie. Shark. Wow.